Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create this blended pop-out effect in Canva. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to create content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. I already opened a new page, a new project, and the first thing what we need is a rectangle. First I change the color to black, then create my own shapes. I think now 3 is enough. Selecting all, rotating a bit, maybe reducing the size like this and moving to here. And only thing what we need to download. So it's downloaded, selecting all. I just delete it. I will have to use this image. So I'm just increasing the size and just try to download. And the system is not allowing me because this is a premium element and I cannot download the image when only one premium element is in the image. So I just add using another element, sending back, and now just downloading it. And as you can see, it's already downloaded. Just delete both elements. I'm just moving the image and also moving the stripes. Already adding a new page and scrolling down to the apps. I need the blend image application, this with a B, and here is it not working? So if I use, yeah, so I have to be careful which one is the top, which one is the bottom layer. As you can see, so I just click the second page, which is empty, add into this design, change the background color to any what I like. This one, just increasing the size to the full page, removing the background. And now I just need again this image that I saved and removing the background again and just cut the image, and it's already have the same effect, this blended pop-out effect. As you can see, it's very easy to create. But now this tutorial is going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit that small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section, first of all to feed the algorithm, and second of all, of course, if you're struggling anything in a Canva or just have any question in a Canva about Canva, just let me know in the comment section and try to answer as soon as possible. Please also check the description where you can find links for my Facebook page, Instagram page, and TikTok page, where you can find another great Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts, list in a Facebook page, and of course in Instagram and TikTok pages you can find short form Canva tutorials. As I mentioned already, you can find the links in the description. But now, this tutorial really going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.